Let's solve a trigonometry problem related to heights and distances. The problem states that two poles of equal heights are standing opposite to each other on either side of the road, which is 80-meter wide. From a point between them on the road, angles of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 and 30 degree respectively. Find the height of the poles and distance of the point from the poles. So basically, there are two poles on either side of the road. So let's consider this as one pole and this as another pole, and there is a road in between, right? There's a road in between. The road is 80-meter wide. This is the width of the road, and the pole is here. So there is a point on the road from which the angle of elevation is given. That is, from the top of the pole, the angle of elevation is given. The angle of elevation is 60 and 30. So what we have to find is, we have to find the height of the pole. The height, let's say it's h. Height of both the poles is equal. And then we also have to find the distance of this particular point from the pole, that is this distance. Let's call this as A, B, C, D, and this point as E. So let's redraw this. So you have two poles of equal heights. There is a point, angle of elevation is given to this particular point. One is 60 degree and one is 30 degree. This is 80-meter wide. We'll have to find this height. Let's call it h. Let's name the points A, B, C, D, E. We'll also have to find the distance from B to C and C to D. That is from the point of observation to the poles, to the foot of the poles. There are two triangles here, triangle ABC and triangle EDC. Let's take the first triangle, say triangle ABC. Let's use the tan formula because we need to find the height, and we can arrive at the base, the adjacent side length. So we'll use tan 60 because 60 is the angle of elevation here, and the opposite side, tan formula is opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is AB by BC. What is AB? We'll call it as H, which we have to find out. And BC we are not aware, so we'll leave it like this. Tan 60 is root 3. So root 3 is H by BC, which means H is equal to root 3 into BC. We have taken BC on the other side and kept H on one side. So let's call this as equation 1. Now let's take triangle EDC, and the angle we have is 30 degree. So we'll take tan 30. Tan 30 is opposite side by adjacent side, which is ED in this case. Opposite to 30 is ED by CD. ED is nothing but H, and CD we are not aware, so we'll keep it like this. Now tan 30 is 1 by root 3, which is equal to H by CD. Now this will be H is equal to, let's take CD on the other side, so it will be CD by root 3. Let's call this as equation 2. From equation 1 and equation 2, height is same, right? Height of both the poles is same. So actually equation 1 and equation 2, LHS is equal. That is, heights are same. So what we will do, since the LHS are equal, the right hand side is also going to be equal, which is nothing but root 3 BC is equal to CD by 3. So we have taken this one and this one. We know that BC and CD together, B to D is 80 meters. So what will be BC? BC will be 80 minus CD. BC would be 80 minus CD because this entire thing is 80. right? So if I minus CD, 80 minus CD will be BC. So let's do that. BC is equal to 80 minus CD. If you substitute this one here, we'll get root 3. BC will let us 80 minus CD is equal to CD by 3. This is nothing but, this is CD by root 3. So we'll take root 3 on the other side. So root 3 into root 3, it will be 3. 3 into 80 minus CD is equal to CD. Now let's simplify this. We'll get 80 into 3 is 240 minus 3 CD is equal to CD, which is nothing but, let's get CD on the other side. So we'll get 240 minus 3 CD minus CD is equal to 0. This is nothing but 240 minus 3 CD and minus CD is going to be minus 4 CD is equal to 0. This is 4 minus 4 CD is equal to, let's take 240 on the other side, it will become minus 240. Nothing but minus and minus will get cancelled. So we'll have 4 CD is equal to 240. Therefore, CD is 240 by 4, which is 60. So CD is 60 meters. So CD is 60 meters. So if CD is 60, then what is BC? The entire length is 80. CD is 60. So BC is going to be 20, right? So this is going to be 20 since this is 60. So BC will be 80 minus CD, which is nothing but 80 minus 60, which is 20 meters. So BC is 20 meters. So we have solved one part of the question, that is to find the distance from the point to the foot of the poles, that is BC and CD. So BC is 20 meters, CD is 60 meters. So what is the height? We need to find the height. Height is, we'll take any one of the equations. Let's take first equation. We'll take root 3 BC. Root 3 into BC is 20 meters. That is 20 root 3 meters is height.